In this quick video, I want to show us how to do YouTube video tags. So YouTube video tags are a little bit still important as far as helping YouTube algorithm show your video to the right audience. So what are YouTube tags? If you are liking this content and for more of such, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel. So tags are descriptive keywords you can add to your video to help viewers find your content. So, of course, tags are not as important as your title and your thumbnail. Your title and your thumbnail are probably the first two most fundamental aspects that you must get right in as far as uploading your video on YouTube and getting viewers onto your video. That one said, tags are also still key as far as helping YouTube algorithm put your video in front of the right viewers. So how do you get good tags for your video, and how do you put tags on your video? So let's get to this video. First thing you want to do is to add a Chrome extension called vidIQ. So vidIQ is going to help you to get good tags for your YouTube video. Now, vidIQ is a free Chrome extension. You can just go to vidiq.com and then add a vidIQ Chrome extension onto your Chrome browser. Once you've gotten your vidIQ Chrome extension, it is going to show at the top of your video somewhere here. So then once you have your vidIQ Chrome extension, it's going to give you some stats or some data on whatever video you want to produce. Once you have added the vidIQ Chrome extension to your Chrome browser, then you want to go on YouTube and look for those videos that are in line with the particular video you are producing. Let's say, for example, you're producing a video on productivity. Then you're going to go on YouTube and take the top ranking videos on productivity on YouTube. Just search on YouTube the productivity videos, and then the results it gives you, of course, is going to be the top productivity videos as far as YouTube is concerned. Now, these videos are, of course, top ranked in productivity. If they're top ranked in video and in productivity, and your video is also on productivity, then it means they are doing something right. It means their video tags are correct. So you want to take like maybe 3 or 4 of the first videos. Then once you've taken 3 or 4 of the first videos that come on YouTube, then we want to copy their tags and use those tags for our video. So how do we do this? Now just click and open this video, or the past 3 videos at least. So I'm here on the first video that I have searched on YouTube. Now when this one comes, because I already have a vidIQ Chrome extension, vidIQ Chrome extension is going to give you some data and some stats in and around the video that you are watching. Because I have vidIQ extension here, is going to give me the stats, the overview of the video, of course the thumbnail, some stats on it, but I'm not interested in all this. What we're interested in today is to get the tags. So you're just going to scroll down until the point where it's written video tags. You see where it's written video tags? So these are the video tags that you want to copy exactly the way they are to your particular video. If this video is this particular productivity YouTube video is ranked number 1 on YouTube, then it means the tags are also correct. So you're going to make sure that you copy these tags to some maybe Word document, and then you can paste them to when uploading a YouTube video. Now, I'm not going to copy the first few tags because they are on the person of the video. So I'm not called Ali Abdal, neither is my video about Ali Abdal, but I'm going to take something like this: how to be productive, how to become more productive. So of course, you're going to select the ones that are relevant to your video. Once you're through this first video, go to another video. This is another video. So I'm just going to scroll down and then go to the video tags. Here are the video tags. So just copy these video tags the way they are. Of course, choose the ones that you want for your particular video. Right, guys, so now we have the tags. The next thing is we want to copy or type those tags on some Word document like that, and then separate the tags with a comma. Why do you want to separate them with a comma? Because it helps YouTube algorithm to know where first tag ends and where the next tag begins. So I'm going to have productivity hacks. Now, whatever tags you got from your video, for example, here we got these particular tags. So I want to copy these tags to my Word document here and separate them with a comma so that it shows YouTube algorithm where my previous tag ends and where my next tag begins. Now, I hope you're following along. It's as simple as adding a Chrome extension to your Chrome browser and then selecting the top ranked videos on the video that you are in and around the topic you want to produce video on, and then scrolling down to where it's written video tags, and then selecting the tags that you think are relevant to your video. Just do this to like 1, 2, 3, or 4 videos. Take the top ranked video tags and then of course type them on some Word documents, separate them with a comma, and then just copy and paste these tags to your video. Now before you paste these tags, I want to emphasize on something here. Now make sure these tags are as relevant as possible to your video. That is one. Number two, don't have so many tags. Between 8 to 10 tags will do it. So 8 to 10 tags will do it. And then the third thing is, these tags can be 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, or 4 words, even 5 words if you want. So whatever number of words you can have in a particular tag. For example, this first tag is only 1 word. This other tag is like 2 words. Now, again, make sure the tags are highly relevant to your particular video. Separate each tag with a comma and then copy these tags and then come to where you're uploading your video and paste those tags to wherever they're supposed to be pasted on. So here we have tags, just come here and then paste them like that. And voila, you are done. That is how you get good tags for your video, and that is how you paste them onto a particular video. It's very simple. It's something that can take less than 5 minutes. It's just taken me long because I'm explaining as also I'm going ahead with the video. I'd like to thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video has helped you and we are going to make sure that you have the right tags for your video.